Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're opening up the hood on one of these new consumer-grade AI music generators.
Yep.
We're looking at the gap between what's promised and what you actually get. Our source for this is a great review of the MyTunes AI Music Generator.
And the promise is, it's really compelling. It's why everyone got so excited.
Right.
Just type a short description, like, sad country song about a broken tractor. Pick a style, and boom, the song appears.
But our mission here is to get past that shiny marketing. We want to really scrutinize the user experience, the actual cost, and how consistent the quality is.
See if it's a tool you can actually use.
Exactly. So the first wall the reviewer hit almost immediately was the cost.
The paywall.
Paywall. I mean, the app is free to download, which is great. It gets you in the door.
But that's all it does. You quickly find out that the features you really want, the interesting ones, are locked.
It feels a bit like getting a movie ticket, but then having to pay to see the last 30 minutes.
That's a great analogy. It really is. Because the things you'd expect to be included, like using your own voice, for example, that's an extra purchase.
And wait,
Yeah.
even getting the full track is extra.
Oh yeah, that's the main one. If you want to hear or download the full version of the song you just made,
The entire point of the app.
you have to pay up. So the free version is really just a low-quality demo. You need to know that going in.
Okay, so that raises the big question. If you do pay, is the quality worth it? Is it consistent?
Well, this is where it gets really unpredictable. The review pointed out a huge amount of variability.
So it's a gamble.
It's a huge gamble. Sometimes the AI spits out something that's genuinely pretty cool, something interesting.
But not always.
Not even close. More often the results are just odd or just plain bad.
And we're not just talking about a bad melody, are we? The review mentioned actual technical problems.
We are. We're talking about really specific technical flaws. Like you'll get this garbled instrumental noise in the background.
Yeah.
Or the tempo will just suddenly change for no reason, and the whole track falls apart.
Which makes it totally unlistenable.
Completely. So
Yeah.
you might spend money to unlock the full version of a song, only to find out it's technically broken.
Wow. And it's not just the audio quality, it's the app itself, right? The user experience.
Right. The app itself can be a struggle. The source mentions it feels slow, that the tools that are supposed to help you fix the track don't work very smoothly. It's just glitchy.
And that seems to line up with what other users are saying.
It does. The reviewer looked at the App Store comments, and you see people reporting that they paid for features that just don't work.
Or the app just quits before the song is even finished generating.
Exactly. It suggests the whole system is maybe a little unstable, that it struggles to deliver the very thing it's charging you for.
So when you boil it all down, what's the final verdict from the reviewer?
The bottom line was, look, MyTunes is a fun toy. It's neat for playing around to see what the AI comes up with. A novelty.
But not a serious tool.
Definitely not. If you're looking for polished, professional results, or you just want to avoid getting hit with hidden costs all the time, this is not the app for you. It's just not ready for prime time.
So the advice is pretty straightforward.
Very. Test out all the free stuff first. Really put it through its paces before you even think about spending any money.
See if it works for you before committing.
Absolutely. Given how volatile the quality is, buying a subscription could just lead to a lot of frustration.
That's excellent advice. And that actually leaves me with one final thought, something for you to think about.
Okay.
If a simple text description, just one sentence, leads to this much unpredictability and such unreliable quality, what's the next step? What kind of interface do we need to get professional, consistent results from these tools? The way we talk to the AI might be the next big hurdle to overcome.